Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you're getting an error SC on your Samsung washing machine. So the SC error is a drain error. So it's your machine saying that it is either unable to drain the water at all, or it is not draining it as well or as fast as it thinks it should. So the first thing we want to do to fix that is we want to turn our machine off, and then we would just want to check and make sure it is totally level. And it may look level, but if there's any kind of bend or sag in the floor, if the floor is not level, then the machine won't be level, and then it won't drain properly because the water won't sit at the bottom of the machine properly to be drained. Once you've checked and made sure everything's level, the next thing you're going to want to do is come around back to the drain hose, and we want to check the drain hose to make sure everything is okay with the drain hose. So some things you're going to want to check. You're going to want to make sure that it is about 6 inches into the pipe. The drain hose goes in the pipe. You want to make it about 6 inches into the pipe. Too much longer than that and it might not drain properly. It should also be secured so that it can't slip in or out. We also want to know it should be in there snug, but it should not be airtight. Air needs to be able to get in where the hose goes into the pipe. Air needs to be able to get in also, or it might not drain properly. We want to inspect the whole length of the hose to make sure there are no kinks or bends or anything like that in the hose. Also, you'll see where it sits, the high point where it sits, versus where the bottom of the washer is. So the pump pumps the water up and out. And so it needs to pump the water up, but it can't pump it too high, or else the pump is not strong enough. So we want this high point of the drain hose to be not less than 18 inches off the ground, at least 18 inches off the ground, and not more than about 96 inches off the ground. Or else the pump will not be able to pump it. And by the same token, you should not be using a hose extension kit, because that creates more work for the pump and it might be more than the drain pump can handle. So the last thing you can do is go down to the drain pump and pull out the filter and clean out the filter in case, or just at least check the filter if there's any clogs or anything that might be preventing the water from draining properly. So once you've done all that, you can turn your machine back on, run a cycle, and just monitor it and make sure it drains properly. And if it's draining properly, then the error should be gone as well. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.